Hi, I'm Rob the Car Guy with Kindred Automotive, and today we're talking about why you may want to ignore what's written in your owner's manual. You know the owner's manual, right? It's the book that's in the back of your glove box behind the 47 straws you're never going to use and those napkins from every fast food restaurant that are covered in yellow stains you hope is mustard. I don't think I'm going to go in there, actually. Oh, that's convenient, thank you. Your owner's manual typically has all of the maintenance that you would normally do on your vehicle. Normally you would look here for what you would do, say, at 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles, 90,000 miles, and you can develop a plan about how to work on your vehicle. What we've discovered is that you may not always be able to trust exactly what's written in here. So why exactly is that? Well, you got to think about who wrote the owner's manual in the first place. Let's pretend we're a manufacturer. I'll pick on Saab. They're out of business. How much trouble can I get in? Saab exists to sell vehicles. Most of the money they make is by selling a new car. So their goal is essentially to sell as many vehicles as they can. They're not really money motivated by allowing you to keep your car for 200,000 or 300,000 miles. Really, once they get past the warranty period, they really don't care what happens to your vehicle. Of course, if your desire is to replace your vehicle every 3 or 5 years, then by all means, you can completely follow the maintenance requirements or the maintenance recommendations in your owner's manual. But if you want to keep it for 10 or 15 years, statistically, it's half as expensive to follow a maintenance plan than it is to wait for your vehicle to just break down. How do you craft a maintenance plan that will work if you can't follow what's written in your owner's manual? I would recommend going in and basically laying out how long you want to keep your vehicle, what level you want it maintained at, and ask them to design a plan over the next 2, 3, 5 years. That way you can make sure that it fits within your budget and your goals, and I'm sure they would be happy to do that because that's what they're there for. So was this information valuable to you? What else would you like to know? Let us know in the comments below and we'll continue to provide videos that hopefully will help out. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Rob the Car Guy. We'll see you next time.